Hello everyone, today let's talk about half-shift oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and it has with skeleton in the spring. It's very strong. This is a red-brown color. And our factory also can make the black color and the else color. This size is internal diameter is 65. External diameter is 90. This thing is 12. You can through this size to fit this oil seal. It also has many following features, such as organized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thick in the spring and thick in the skeleton. If you need anyone, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.